Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss how we can make ripple effect using Figma. So let's get started. First of all, we'll create a frame. So we click on the frame, we will choose MacBook Pro 14-inch. We have got the screen. Yes, so first of all we'll create a ellipse. This ellipse should be pretty small. In fact, you can say the smallest of all the ellipses we are going to use. So we'll set it heights and width as 100 and we will align it to the center of our page, and we have to change the color. So this is the color we are going to choose. Then we will click on the frame, we will paste it. Here in the second frame we have to create one more ellipse. This will be bigger than the previous one. So previously we have used 100, so for this one we will use 250 width and 250 height, and we will set the color to the color we are using. But here there is a catch associated. We have to reduce the opacity to almost 50%, and we have to center it with the page again. So here we have manually completed that. So again, from the second frame we have to create a third frame. In the third frame similarly we have to create one more ellipse bigger than the second one, and we'll have the same color but with reduced opacity. So here we will select 350 and 350. We will use the same color and we'll reduce the opacity to 10%. Yep. 350 doesn't looks good. We have to increase it to something more. So we are doing it to 450. Yes, and now we have to create a final copy of our frame. And what we are going to do basically, we have to give a final effect. So finally we will create one more ellipse. This will be the biggest of all. We will use this dark color, but here we have to add an effect. So we'll click on this plus sign, go to layer blur. In the effect step we will set it as 600, and then we will drag it to the center of our page. I guess it's not the center yet. And one thing, remember, we have to drag this ellipse to the last because this has to be the bottom ellipse. So yes, we are done with the frames. Now what we have to do, we have to add animations. So we will go to the prototype, connect. It will take place after delay of 500 milliseconds. Smart animate ease out 500 milliseconds. So yep, correct. Again, from the second frame we will connect the third frame. After delay 500 milliseconds, and from the third frame we will connect the fourth frame. After delay 500 milliseconds. So as we have seen that our frames are connected, but here there is one slight mistake. The mistake is this ripple effect has to go on for eternity, like it will be an infinite loop. So again, from that fourth frame we have to connect the first frame. We will do the same after delay of 500 milliseconds. I believe we are good to go, so let's check. So our loader has started almost. Let's see the emulation. So yes, as you can see, our ripple effect is pretty much working, and that's how we make a ripple effect in Figma. You can use it for several purposes, like to emulate that audio in a mic, or like a voice over during recording. So anything you may do with this effect, but that's how it's done. So I hope you like this video. In case you like, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. In case you have any thoughts, feel free to post it in the comments. Thank you. See you in the next video.